insane. Wow. What the heck is that? Jeez. Oh, nice camera video.
Why? Come on. You want to go the other way? Go the other way. Easy.
Jeez, he likes to really haul ass. Dang. You could tell he's like really like uncoordinated.
Yes.
He doesn't like know like.
Can't balance the time.
Yeah, it's like he doesn't know where to go. Poor horse.
Blue's the same way.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, poor horse. He actually is pretty fast and he's big.
Yeah.
He's just looking at you. He's trying to play with you. Jeez. It's a cool video.
We don't need the rollbacks. We don't need the rollbacks or the steps. Come on.
Wow. Hey, he wants to go back the other way.
Really? Don't you touch that thermostat.
I love how he's pacing himself right now, and there he goes. Jeez. He really loves kicking out.
Come on.
Holy jeez.
You want to go to left? You good? Thank you.
Wow.
But now you know why all of the footing ends up on the rider guard.
Yeah, I see that. I didn't know you guys did this. How is it with Dora? You guys have to do this with Dora too?